Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a fast and easy lunch for me. I'm making some steak, fried sweet potato, and corn. So if you want to see how I made a day off lunch, continue watching. I want to take this time out to thank all my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. And to my new supporters, welcome and board. Please tap the subscribe button and hit the notification bell before you leave. In that way, you will never miss another upload. So continue watching, guys, and see how I prepare this fast, tasty, and delicious lunch in just a few minutes. Here you have it, guys, my fast and easy lunch. And I'm definitely going to enjoy this one. So thanks again for watching. Please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, hype, and do subscribe for more. See you in another video, guys.